Welcome to Vocabulary Course.
Action verbs. Fall. He fell from the tree yesterday. He fell from the tree yesterday. Speak. She's speaking with her friend. She's speaking with her friend. Carry. He's carrying a heavy box. He's carrying a heavy box. Stand. I stood here for a long time. I stood here for a long time. Touch. I like to touch my kid's hand. I like to touch my kid's hand. Shake hands. He shook my hand warmly. He shook my hand warmly. Sit. She always sits in that chair. She always sits in that chair. Push. Push hard when I tell you to. Push hard when I tell you to. Pull. Pull chair near the table. Pull your chair near the table. Laugh. You never laugh at my jokes. You never laugh at my jokes. Hug. They hugged each other. They hugged each other. Wave. My mother was crying as I waved her goodbye. My mother was crying as I waved her goodbye. Lie down. Go and lie down for a while. Go and lie down for a while. Cry. There is nothing to cry about. There is nothing to cry about. Frown. I don't understand, he frowned. I don't understand, he frowned. Sing. I like to sing a song in the party. I like to sing a song in the party. Clap. The audience cheered and clapped. The audience cheered and clapped. Smile. He smiled at her and she smiled back. He smiled at her and she smiled back. Kiss. He kissed his baby before leaving. He kissed his baby before leaving. Dance. They are dancing now. They are dancing now. Read. He reads a book every week. He reads a book every week. Write. I write a letter every day. I write a letter every day. Give. She gives the pacifier to her baby. She gives the pacifier to her baby. Take. He took the orange because he was hungry. He took the orange because he was hungry. Draw. He's drawing a big house. He's drawing a big house. Cut. He's cutting the green beans. He's cutting the green beans. Peel. He's peeling the apple. He's peeling the apple. Squeeze. He squeezed the orange and ate it. He squeezed the orange and ate it. Sneeze. I've been sneezing all morning. I've been sneezing all morning. Yawn. He stood up and yawned. He stood up and yawned. Tear. He tore the paper. He tore the paper. Fold. She folded the blanket around the baby. She folded the blanket around the baby. Paint. She's painting a nice picture. She's painting a nice picture. Open. She can't open the door. She can't open the door. Hold. He held the wire tightly. He held the wire tightly. Fill. Don't forget to fill the jerry can. Don't forget to fill the jerry can. Pour. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Stir. He stirred his tea. He stirred his tea. Break. She broke the plate into pieces. She broke the plate into pieces.